Yo, what is up guys? Welcome back to the channel, and in this quick and short video I'm going to be showing you how you can compose a tweet and send that out to your Twitter circle, one of the newest features that Twitter has added. So I'm going to go ahead and open up Twitter, then just tap on the plus icon at the bottom right hand corner to go ahead and compose a tweet. Tap on tweet right there at the bottom, and here it says you can compose your tweet. So this is a good tweet, but now you can see over here it's going out to everyone, so everyone that I'm following and everything like that. So what you want to do is tap on everyone, and then you want to select Twitter circle. You can see I have 4 people in my Twitter circle. So if you're happy with the amount of people in your Twitter circle, then you can go ahead and tweet out. Then you can go ahead and tap on tweet Twitter circle. Alternatively, you can tap on edit, go to, and it'll show you all the people in your Twitter circle. Go to recommended, and now you can search for different accounts to add to your Twitter circle. So let me just select this one, add. Now I have 5 people in my Twitter circle, and you can select Twitter circle and then just go ahead and tweet that. So that's it. If this video helped you out, don't forget to drop a like onto this video and subscribe for more, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.